Hey guys, your girl Sandy here and welcome back to my channel. So I'm so excited for you guys to be here. Today, as you can tell in the title, I would bring you my favorites for February. So I've been trying out a lot of new things, a lot of recommendations that I've seen here on YouTube just from YouTubers that I watch all the time and some of their favorite products. So I'm super excited for you to see some of the products that I am bringing to you. So to start off, I want to show you guys the Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation. I've been really loving this foundation. I am an LN4, and I got this as a recommendation because I see Allie Glines here on YouTube use this all the time, and this has definitely been one of my favorites so far this year. I've definitely been using it since the beginning of January, or even sometime of last year. I bought it in a few different shades just to try it out, but it definitely gives me a very healthy glow, and I think this will be perfect for the summer because there is SPF in it, and it does have SPF 20. So moving on from there, let's talk about concealers. So one of my favorite concealers I've been using a lot lately as well. This is the CATRICE 24-hour Camouflage Liquid God, I can't speak today. Anyways, this is the CATRICE Liquid Camouflage Concealer. I've definitely been loving this. It says it lasts 12 hours and it's waterproof. Haven't really tested the waterproof part of it all. I keep having this little hair flying from my face. I haven't tested the waterproof part of it all, but I definitely love the way that it sets underneath my eyes. And as we go on to setting, let's go on to my favorite setting powder of the moment, and it is the Maybelline Fit Me translucent powder. Well, this is in Fair 05, so I definitely been loving this loose powder just for baking and setting underneath the eyes, just like that, because I am very fair skinned, so it does work pretty well for my skin tone, and it does work very well with the Fit Me foundation as well. But this definitely is a new product to me, and I am loving it. I'm really getting into loose powders. I haven't done that in the past before, kind of just stuck to like basic setting powders, but I definitely have been loving this one so much. I apologize if I keep looking this way because I recently just bought myself a monitor, so I'm able to see when I'm in focus and everything like that, so I can give you guys a better video quality content, so I can make sure things are recording as well. So moving on from that, I will talk about bronzer. So obviously butter bronzer is something that everyone has been talking about, reading about last year and this year. I am in 6676, just regular bronze. I did get the darker bronzer to contour with, and just for a more overall natural bronze, which is on my face right now, as you guys can see. But yeah, this definitely has been my favorite bronzer so far, and it smells delicious. It just smells like coconut, so I love the scent of it as well. And then going on from that, my favorite highlighter for right now is the Milani 03 Sun Glow. So it's Sun Glow by Milani. It looks just like this for the packaging, and it is just super shiny and beautiful, as you guys can see. And here it is swatched on my finger. So I mean, it is just very blinding, as you can tell. And just look at that. It is just heavenly, and that's kind of what I've got on my face right now. It's just very natural, actually, when you put it just lightly on your face. And I've been doing, I've been putting on highlighter first and then putting on bronzer and blush and everything on top of it because it gives you more of a natural glow. I do know Makeup by Mario, who is Kim Kardashian's makeup artist, does that trick on her, so I've definitely been loving doing that on myself as well, and just kind of practicing new tips and tricks as I hear about them. So yeah, definitely I love this highlighter for sure, so you definitely should go pick this up, and you can always find it on sale, whether it's at Ulta or Walgreens or even at CVS, and CVS, you know, you get the CVS bucks back, so it's definitely a good steal for a highlighter. And then the other highlighter that I've been loving that I recently got in one of my subscription boxes is this highlighter right here. This is by Ofra Cosmetics. It's in Rodeo Drive, and this one is just stunning as well. So if I swatch it for you guys right here, you can tell just how beautiful and blinding that is as well. So it's more of like a champagne-y color, but it is a very stunning highlighter as well. It's kind of the highlighters I've been really loving right now at the moment, now that since I'm right now it's in winter, or more fair and champagne highlighters. This is giving me an all-over natural glow. And then from there, I've been loving this Morphe palette for blush. So this is the Morphe palette in 8W, and it looks like this. And it is just stunning. Now, I do love a lot of the natural tones that are in here that you guys can tell. Like this one and this one right here. But we do have some of like the orangey tones and some of the ones that are kind of more shimmery when it comes to blushes. So it just depends on what you're looking for. But it does have an overall hue of colors that I think would be stunning for all skin tones. So definitely I would go and pick this up over at Ulta because it definitely is a good palette, especially if you're not really sure what kind of blushes you like. And if you want to try out a variety of mattes and shimmer blushes, definitely I would go ahead and pick this up. And then the palette that I've been really loving right now is the Temptress palette by Profusion. Sorry about the glare, but it's just so stunning and so beautiful. And this was suggested to me by Allie Glines in one of her videos. You can find this at Target. It's very reasonably priced. It's only $10 to get this, and they have a bunch of other palettes as well. And I know Profusion has changed their formula and everything they've been doing a lot lately. So like again, if you look at some of these stunning colors they have in here, like let's go ahead and do this blue color right here. And if I swatch that, just look at that right there on my finger. Like, can you see how blinding and pigmented that is? And then I'm going to go right here. So, I mean, as you can tell, they are just very pigmented, and that's not even wetting it down. Again, the formula is amazing, and for $10, you cannot beat the price. So I would definitely say you should go and pick up some of these Profusion palettes. I know you can find Profusion at like TJ Maxx and Marshalls, but now that it's in Target and it's also affordable there as well, I would definitely again say to go and pick this up. And then for mascara that I've been loving a lot lately, this is the Catrice Cosmetics Glam Doll False Lashes Mascara. I do have it on my eyelashes right now, but it is very late at night right now and my makeup is falling off of my face. I have tried to touch it up as much as possible, but I do really love this mascara and the wand that it comes with. It is kind of curved a little bit, so it does give your lashes a nice curl and a flare, and it does separate them very well. Like, it does give that false lash effect, kind of just like roller lash. I think I saw a video somewhere on here where someone compared this mascara, the one by Flower Beauty, and the roller lash all together to see how comparable they were in formulas and also by the brushes. So I think this is a very good mascara to pick up. And again, it has been one of my favorites. I think this is like the third time I've purchased this mascara, and you can always find Catrice products on sale at Ulta, and you can always use the coupon that they always have there. So definitely a good product to pick up. And then for eyebrow products I've been really loving lately, I recently picked up the ColourPop Brow Boss in Soft Black from Ulta. I've never tried their brow products before, but I've heard how good they are. So I've definitely been loving this one right here for sure. I'm really getting into eyebrow pencils lately. Before, I've always done like a powder like how I have in my eyes right now. And I've also been trying to get into using gel liners as well, or not, pomades, is that what it's called? Pomades, for doing your eyebrows as well. But lately I've just been doing a simple eyebrow pencil and a little bit of brow powder, and it does the job for me. And then the other one I've been really loving right now as well is the LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil. God, I could not say that. But that's what it looks like. You can find this over at CVS, and they're very affordable. Again, I'll put prices on here for you guys, and I'll link them down below if you guys are interested in trying out some of these products. They are very fine tipped, so that you can definitely get a very defined brow if that's what you're looking for. So, I mean, again, you should easily pick these up if you're indecisive on what kind of brow products you want to use. And I've heard these two can be very comparable to the Anastasia ones, so that's why I decided to pick these up. And then last but not least, let's talk about lip products. OMG, I cannot find this lip product that I'm currently wearing on my lips right now. So I'm wearing one of the Catrice Glossy Lips, something like that. I'll list it down below. I'll put a picture here somewhere because I don't know what I did with it. And I applied it on especially for this video. And again, it is very beautiful. It's very natural, very nice and glossy. And it does stay on pretty well when you're eating and things like that. But again, it's just a very moisturizing lip balm glossy type of product, and it is a click pen, so it's like you can click it up and then just like glide it on. You're not having to like you know, like a normal product of a lipstick of pushing it up and then pushing it back down. You just push a little bit up and then you only use what you need to use and then you put it away. So I apologize, I don't know where it is, but I've been really loving that product lately. And then the other two products I've been really loving lately, this is the Too Faced Metal Liquefied Long Wearing Lipstick. This is in one of their sample sizes I got a long time ago. I recently just started reaching for it because it is a nice nude, beautiful color. So I mean, if you're looking for something just very natural, this is a product I would definitely recommend. And I know you can still get these out there. I have had this for a while, but I mean, I've just recently started using it, so it's still good. Last but not least, the lip product I want to talk to you guys about is this one right here. So this is by Jeffree Star. This is in Leo, and I have been loving this product so much. It is just extremely beautiful. It is this very, you know, rich kind of nude brown color that I think is just stunning. So I can go ahead and swatch it for you right here. Ooh. So you can tell right there what the color looks like. Again, it is just a very stunning color to wear on your lips. It's very comfortable. I love Jeffree Star Cosmetics products. And also, if you guys didn't know, I'm currently right now doing a giveaway for a Jeffree Star product that I got in one of his Valentine's Day mystery boxes. So if you would like to still enter in that, you have some time. March 1st is the deadline to enter it. So don't forget to go and check out that video. I'll link it right here for you so you know how to enter into my giveaway. And I know you want to do it, right? So that is everything that I wanted to show you guys in my February favorites. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. If you liked watching this video, don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And also leave me some comments down below of what your favorite products are. Like, I'm always into finding new products if I've never tried them before. And I love getting recommendations from people of what you're loving right now at the moment. So again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.